In this video, we will explore how to play UFC 5 on Xbox Series S. If you've just picked up an Xbox Series S and want to dive into the intense action of UFC 5, this guide will show you everything you need to know to start playing, from installation to basic gameplay setup. To begin, make sure your Xbox Series S is connected to the internet and that you're signed in to your Xbox account. From the home screen, navigate to the Microsoft Store and use the search bar to look for UFC 5. Once the game appears, select it and follow the on-screen prompts to either purchase or download it, depending on whether you've already bought the game or if it's available through a subscription like EA Play. After the download and installation are complete, launch the game from your home screen or game library. On the first launch, you might be prompted to adjust your gameplay settings. This includes difficulty level, camera angles, and control preferences. Take a moment to customize these based on your skill level and comfort. Once you're in the main menu, you'll have several modes to choose from, including career mode, fight now, online play, and custom fights. If you're new to the game, starting with fight now or practice mode is a great way to get familiar with the controls and mechanics. Now, the Xbox Series S controller offers smooth and responsive gameplay for UFC 5. The basic controls include striking with the face buttons, grappling with the triggers, and using the analog sticks for movement and clinch transitions. You can also access the in-game control guide from the pause menu if you need a quick refresher during matches. Make sure your system software and the game are updated regularly to ensure the best performance and access to any new features or patches released by EA Sports. And that's it! You're now ready to experience the high-impact action of UFC 5 on your Xbox Series S.